Alrighty guys, welcome back to another daily adventure in Sense. How you doing? Hope all's well. We'll go ahead and pop it. Alright, so we're looking for Articuno and Zapdos. We have a Moltres, used the Master Ball. We're pretty much up to date. Hope you guys are doing good though. First spawn is going to be a Scyther. 1621. Boy, he ain't playing. But yeah, I'll still get you over there too, buddy. Also, it is currently 12:36 in the morning. Walking around the lovely neighborhood of Pinellas Park. We are leaving the good old, where's she at? Broderick Park. We're leaving her behind today. In today's episode, we are going to let me throw a Pokeball at you real quick. Alright, cool. We're gonna go ahead and head into downtown Pinellas Park. See if maybe we could get lucky. Also to see how long it could take us to get down there. Shiny check. Negative. Don't even look at that throw. Also, it's been a minute since I've seen a bird. So, I need to clutch up when I do. Also, how we liking the biome update, yo? It do look good. Got Eevee. Nah, there's no point in that. Look how many Eevee candies I have. I'm set. I'm good. 8,300. Yeah, I'm alright. I got all the evolutions. Even though there's like fucking 15 of them. Alright, here we go. Skitty. It's not a bird. Oh yeah, also check this out. So I have these two for Hatch a Egg. And one for Explore 2 kilometers. And then I had 3 kilometers when we started. So we're already up 3.3. So pretty much right when I get the Hatch a Egg, I'll be exploring 2 kilometers. Maybe we get a shiny out of that for the day. But hey, Pidgey. It's a bird. Somewhat in the right direction. Oh, click it. Litleo. Take the berry dough. Is the Bidoof shiny? Bidoof is not a shiny. Oh yeah. Also, we're doing this Rediscover Kanto. Use 15 berries to help catch Pokemon. Earn 25 hearts with your buddy. Yeah, it's all about your buddy this time around. Catch 40 Pokemon, blah, blah, blah. I gotta execute. Two birds with one stone with this catch. Yo. Wild Snorlax. Am I tripping? Yo, Wild Snorlax, you look good in the wild, buddy, with this new biome. Almost excellent, but yo, I was tripping. I'm like, is this a Zorua? And I'm like, no, this is a plain Snorlax. Oh, I gotta check the stats on you. No, but damn, that's my favorite Pokemon. a Sneasel on our daily. Yeah. Call this Pokemon, dang it. There we go. Thor instead of Thrall. Yo, you're so far away. Yeah. I gotta check the rolls. I just have to. Not shiny. Catch a ball. I can't quit catch it. Alright, that's 1 kilometer down. Durant. Well, we ain't gonna make it into downtown, but I kind of see it from here. Yeah, we ain't making it that far. Matter of fact, we're getting off this road. How's it after midnight and traffic on the boulevard is crazy still. Anyways, Eevee, catch it. Execute. Yeah. Look at the bio. Like, yeah, I'm in a city, and just to see the, you know, pretty soon, I guarantee you, in a couple years, what they're gonna do is, what is this, a Palmy? Get out of here, I don't want you. In a couple years, what they're gonna do is, like, instead of it being random pictures of cities, like, it's gonna be actually pictures of your city. Can they literally do that though? That'd be pretty cool, in my opinion. Alright, we got an Abra. Yo, fun fact for me about Abra is when it had its calm day, I clicked on one, and it was actually the first ever shiny to run from me. Yep, threw the ball, ran. After that, it's been legendaries to run from me, but that's a whole nother story. Mankey? Where's the birds at? Yo, just look at the Pokeball too. Hold on, and then the Ultra Ball. Yeah, they all look. Everything is good. It's just what happens to avatars. Still upset about it. Yep. Mankey down. Alright, bet. We're getting close back to the good old park. Grind Park. Yo. Electrike. You just stay still for me, buddy. Ready? Yeah. Excellent throw. Keeping it going. Come on. 3.5 minutes. Oh, it's gonna be a Wishmer. Take the pineapple. Yeah. Alright, yo, there's gotta be a trick for these birds. Like, where they at? What if I zoom in a little close? Not too close. Tap Snorlax 3 times. Gives me a Tepig. Great. Yeah. Excellent throw again. I'm the best. Alright. Wild Execute. I do love Kanto spawns though. Like, the best generation of all time. Just saying. Stunky, yo, let's go. Yes. Yes. I believe this is my first one. Oh, so close to that. Excellent. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Yo, I'm so happy now. It's not a bird, but yo. Let's go. Hold on, gotta start up. Oh my goodness. Alright, after the timer's up, we're gonna we're gonna check to see if I had that shiny. If I did, I'll evolve one. If not, hey, first one for the book. Alright, can I get a 2 for here? I am gonna throw one randomly at this Abra in the wild. We got a Diglett on the daily. Stop it. Thank you. You know what, Diglett? It's cool. You were better off in the wild. Very not shiny. Dang it. Yo, these different biome pictures are pretty cool. Shiny Mankey. Yo, hold on. Surskit. We'll catch the Surskit real quick. We're damn sure coming back for that Clamperl. Maybe, possibly. Shiny. Okay, Clamperl caught. Alright, hold on now. Not Clamperl caught. Anyways, 21 Pokemon, 990 meters, which I forgot to mention the meters last time. Doesn't matter. We almost doubled it with Pokemon caught. But obviously the highlight is the shiny Stunky. Or whatever the hell it's called. I don't even... But that's the highlight. Clamperl shiny. Dang it. It's gotta get that. Kind of wonder how much candy I got for this little thing. 83 candies while I'm doing it. Hitmonlee shiny. Yo, this event. I'm liking it. Now hold on, question. Also, I don't know when I'll be uploading this. Anyways, where's the Drillbur and a Trubbish in the wild so I can complete these, or are they just in raids? Because obviously after midnight they in bed right now. So I'm wondering if Trubbish and Drillbur are locked in raids or just really rare. Any on the radar? Of course not. Oh yeah, let's check. Yeah, Stunky. Alright, Pokemon. Yeah, just the one. Okay, I gotta keep it. I'm not gonna evolve it, but there she is. There he is. Proud. Very nice. Anyways, let's go ahead. Let's check. Hundos and zeros. No zeros. No hundos. My XP, 13,506,000. Grind into 50. It's a long haul, but we're doing it. Like and subscribe for more. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Snorlax. Later.